Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math better. First, focus on truly understanding the fundamental concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the why behind them. Spend about 20 minutes reviewing notes and examples before tackling practice questions. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building confidence and solving more complex problems efficiently. A solid start makes all the difference. Next, consistent practice is key to mastering math. Work through a diverse range of problems, not just the easy ones. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused practice daily. If you get stuck, review your notes or seek help, but always try to solve it yourself first. Repetition builds muscle memory for mathematical procedures and strengthens your problem-solving skills over time. Third, don't just skip over your mistakes. Learn from them. When you get a problem wrong, take time to understand why. Was it a conceptual error, a calculation mistake, or a misunderstanding of the question? Correcting these errors solidifies your understanding and prevents repeating the same pitfalls. This reflective process is vital for true learning and improvement in any mathematical topic. Finally, one of the best ways to solidify your understanding is to teach the concepts to someone else. Explaining a topic in your own words forces you to organize your thoughts and identify any gaps in your knowledge. You could explain it to a friend, a family member, or even just talk through it aloud to yourself. This active recall and articulation significantly boosts retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.